Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be talking about gain deals. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a bunch of other DG videos for you all this week. We have new clearance markdowns and a penny list. We also have tons and tons and tons of amazing coupon matchups and deals and sales going on. Plus, I also uploaded the full glitch list yesterday. So if you missed anything, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now also, don't forget that the deals are in the details, so please watch the video all the way through. It helps me, it helps you, and it helps me help you, alright? So watch the video all the way through. If you need to speed it up or slow it down, you can click in the top right hand corner, click on your settings, go down to playback speed, and then speed it up or slow it down. One more thing before we get into these gain deals. I know that we have a lot of new crazy couponers out there, so I do want to say welcome to the crazy couponing community. And I also wanted to point out that I do have a couponing for beginners playlist. So if you want to check that out, all you have to do is click on my name underneath this video. That's going to take you to the home screen. And then up there at the top, you should be able to scroll over, click on playlist, and then you'll see couponing for beginners in that list. Alright, now let's go ahead and get into these gain deals. And I do want to start off by saying that I understand everybody's frustration with the gain deals. Trust me, when I started couponing at Dollar General, now granted we did not have the new registers and the new systems, but it was still so frustrating to go into Dollar General, spend all of that time getting your products together, going up to the register, and it not working. And back then, it seems like, you know, people really they didn't take the time to figure out why things did not work or why things did work. So there really wasn't any YouTubers out there that said, hey, this is the problem. This is what you need to do. So when I started my YouTube channel, I was like, you know what? Well, I'm going to be straightforward. We're going to do this step by step, and I'm going to tell everybody what helped me figure out these gain deals, because I'm telling y'all, I would go in there every time we would have a good gain deal, and let me just say, we had some really amazing gain deals back in the day. I mean, they would be absolutely free money makers. It was crazy. But anyways, I would get into DG, I would get all of my items, and things just would not work out for me the way it was working out for people online. And it literally drove me crazy. The only explanation that I had was coming from the cashiers, and they were saying, oh, the 5 off 25 and the 5 off 30 won't stack. You have to use one or the other. You cannot use both together. And I knew that that wasn't true. I just had to figure out what the issue was. My YouTube channel, I wanted to be straightforward with you all, step by step, easy to follow instructions. So for the first couple of minutes, we're going to go over a few quick tips and tricks. They're very simple and easy, and my personal recipe for success. And this week has shown me that a lot of people do not know about them. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so first thing, you're going to make sure that you scan each and every gain or gain scented item with your Dollar General app. You're going to make sure that the individual coupon that you're using, the manufacturer coupon, along with your 5 off 30 gain DG store coupon shows up underneath each and every single item that you want to pick up in this transaction. Because the 5 off 30 gain DG store coupon does not work on all gain products, it does not work on all gain scented products, and each and every time that we receive this coupon on our account, it is different and will attach to new products. All right, so make sure that you're scanning your products and make sure that the coupons are showing up underneath every single item. Next up, we're not going to trust our DG app to do our math. Grab a paper, pen, and a calculator and do your own math. Because with the DG app, it doesn't subtract the coupons the same way that it applies them at the register. So we're not going to trust the app to do our math. We're going to do it on our own. Next, make sure that your subtotal before coupons are applied beats the highest threshold amount. So if you have a 5 off 25 and a 5 off 30 gain DG store coupon, you're going to want to make sure that your subtotal is $30 or more. That way you're meeting that highest threshold amount. And remember, this is before any coupons are applied. And last but certainly not least, always keep a paper 5 off $25 DG store coupon just in case, especially if you are going to a store with a new register. All right, guys, so there's a few of my tips and tricks. Hopefully they will help you out as much as it's helped me out over the years. And let me tell y'all, once you get these gain deals down, you will be good to go, because since I've figured out those few little quirky things with Dollar General, I haven't really had any issues since. So hopefully you guys will be the same. Now, I wanted to make it a little bit easier on you all, so I went ahead and threw together all of the coupon matchups that should work with our 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupons. Now, I do want you guys to be careful on these right here. We've got a 3 off one, we've got a couple of 2 off ones, and those do attach to multiple items. So, as always, scan before you go up to the register and make sure your 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon attaches to every single product in your transaction. But hopefully this will make it a little bit easier for you all, especially if you get into the store and need substitutions. Now, here's an issue that people have been having this week. We have this 2 off 1 digital coupon on the Gain laundry products that are priced at $7.50. We also have that 10 off 4 digital coupon that works on the $7.50 Gain laundry products. Unfortunately, if you clip that 2 off 1 to your account, that one is going to come off first instead of the 10 off 4. Now, I actually made the same mistake on a couple of my accounts, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned to see what I end up doing with all those coupons. Now, I did mention this in yesterday's video, but the 10 off 4 is glitching. If you want to pick up 4 of the flings or 4 of the fireworks or 4 of any of the other products that are attaching, it will work. You do not have to purchase one of each product like the coupon states. All right, now let's take a look at some scenarios. For this first one, it's super simple and easy. Pick up 4 Gain laundry products at $7.50 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $30. The coupons that you're going to use is the 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon, and the 10 off 4 Gain laundry product. You're going to pay $10 for all 4, making those $2.50 each. Now, if you want to lower your out-of-pocket, go ahead and add in the Always Discreet for $3.25 and the Vicks Cough Drops for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $34.25. After all of the coupons are applied, that's going to leave you paying $8.25 for all 6, making those just $1.37 each. And don't forget that the overage will only apply at old register stores. All right, for this next scenario, you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50, 1 Gain fireworks at $9.95, one of the Gain dryer sheets at $4.50, one Febreze plug-in refill at $5.50, and one of the Febreze small spaces at $3.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $30.70. And here's the list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And again, make sure that you scan to make sure that everything attaches. After coupons, you're going to pay $9.40 for 5 items, making each one just $1.88 each. And if you want to lower your out-of-pocket, go ahead and throw in that Always Discreet and the Vicks Cough Drops. After coupons, you're going to pay $7.65 for 7 items, making each one just $1.08 each. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, but make sure that y'all stick around and stay tuned because we have a brand new promotion starting tomorrow. We should have a new digital coupon on our account, and you know your girl's going to be up first thing in the morning trying out all the deals. So make sure that y'all stay tuned, and before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Good luck out there, and I will see you on the next one.